Yeah, people, you know, say real bad cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say, no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. You see what I say? A whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me tell you now, Jamrock.
Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. Hope say everyone is out there doing well, you see me? And for all those who are celebrating the holiday season, we want to say blessed holidays, and we hope next year will be a better year than what it was this year, 2024. And we hope say all of the madness and the catastrophe what we experienced over the past year will just stay behind and it not come cross over in the new year. You see it, and we want to wish all our people them a happy new year when time it forward. You see me I say? And for all the new subscribers, we want to say massive respect and give thanks to the support, give thanks to the subscription and all of these things. You see it? We're there again for your next reasoning, and we just go address a few things what we say are go on, and we hope say we not have to carry this over in the next year differently still, and we bury all of it right here so and just done with it once and for all. See? So massive, we see a little thing go on with some vloggers and reactors and them kind of things. You see it, and we see young people kill themselves and carry out certain kind of disrespectful behavior on the internet, and them things they are turned tragic. People are lose them life over things what them say and all of these things. You see it? But where them things have come from differently still. How the young people end up behave themselves the way how them behave themselves. You want to examine them things that in the genuine and truest form. Look here. You see all of them things that where you see young people are do are learned behaviors. You see what we call bad mind, recklessness, disrespectful attitude, all of these things what we consider to be negative, what we see the youth them are display. Them sitting here are learned behaviors. They learn them from somewhere. It not just appear upon the youth them and out of the blues the youth them just take on them things here and start to behave certain way. They might take it one step further, but there was a foundation that was laid where them follow the blueprint and build upon it. See? So all of them things that were always see the youth them behave, I learn them behavior from people who above them. They learn them from their elders. They learn it from the social surrounding. They learn it from the people them who influence them. So it influenced them behavior. You see? And that lead me to this one I go address right here now differently still. See? So we see a thing I go on with Rodney's Kitchen and Daddy Gargan. And Daddy Gargan is a man where him quite controversial. Him have some controversial behavior, him have some controversial things where him say. But at this moment, I'm not here to defend Daddy Gargan because me sure say Daddy Gargan no need me to defend him and him no need me to represent him because him quite capable of defending himself and him quite capable of representing himself, as we see over the past year or whatever since we know him on YouTube. See? But now we see a thing go on with him and Rodney. Rodney is a man differently still. Where at first me did say Rodney seemed like a reasonable person. So me kind of have some kind of respect towards him. Me hear Daddy Gargan say him take back the respect what him have for Rodney's. See? And somehow me go take back some of the things them what me did say about Rodney, cause me did say me see him as a reasonable person, but now me kind of see it say Rodney is a genuinely disingenuous person. And some of the things them where Rodney are criticized Daddy Gargan about are some of the very same things where him guilty of himself. See? The other day, a little thing go down between me and some other vloggers. And when we are look upon it, we say, Rodney and Daddy Gargan are the most senior vloggers among the group of reactors who react on these things. We did a look say these people out here now would be the ones who set the example and call we and put we in our place and say, young men, on a come on now, man, this is how we're supposed to behave, and this is not what we expect from Uno differently still. See? But me realize now, say, Rodney is not so much genuine as how him present himself. He's not a genuine person. And me go stand by that to say this. See? Because the other day, a little thing go on. And me call out Rodney for one of him disingenuous ways where him take something out of context where J-Bud did say. And him use what J-Bud said to criticize J-Bud, even though it was taken out of context. And me hear Rodney say, Daddy Gargan is a man who carry feelings. Well, me they said to you that Rodney, you is a man who carry feeling as well. And based upon how you address me in the video where you talk about Daddy Gargan issue, where you want him have, me realize you is a man who carry feelings same way too. You see? Because it's so convenient that you can remember who and who criticize Oliver, but you can't remember what my name, and you don't want to remember what my name. What you say? It not come across genuine, brethren. See? Because watch you now. Me notice conveniently, and you are not the only one who do it, you know. But me realize conveniently, una left out the fact that me only make a video and address Oliver because him refer to me in the same video where him a disrespect and a disparage ground God. Now you are use that same video as a reference for go against Daddy Gargan, because Daddy Gargan say Oliver should go back and watch the video and listen to what him say and think about it if him could have used different words or say what him say in a different way. Now you want to make it look like I say Daddy Gargan, they are the wrong for do it. And me no respect that differently still. Cause guess what? You say any grown man use white lies to fit the agenda where them a try to push. Me can genuinely respect you. And what me see you do this, you lose my respect for that differently still. See? Because you are trying to make it seem like me among 3 other people, jump on Oliver lifestyle because him address ground God for disrespect him. And that is not the truth. That wasn't what happened. See? And the next thing is me not jump on man. Me have a beautiful wife. Me not in a them kind of sitting there. See? So here we go on now. Oliver referred to me in the video. That is why me address the video. If you go back and watch the videos what me do, it explains itself. So me don't know how you just conveniently ignore all of the fact and just make it seem like we out here to attack Oliver just because him are defending himself against ground God. See, that wasn't the situation. See, what Daddy Gargan did was a genuine act as a friend, because him a said to Oliver just as how I said to Oliver. We can't stop Oliver from defending himself, you know. We don't have no control over that. Seeing, so what Oliver did was up to Oliver. Seeing, all we are saying is that Oliver lower his standard by disparaging the girl the way he did. Same thing Daddy Gargan say. He must say if Oliver go back and watch the video and listen to the words what him use to address the girl, if him not think say him could have do it a different way. And me think say if me have a friend or my friend tell me say, look, you see what you did is not what you do, is how you do it. And next time it would have been better if you do it the way you. Me then see the person there as a respectful person or a respectable person. Me then respect him for the opinion when put towards me. See? But no. How me know say you is not a genuine person? You see all of what you see I criticize Daddy Gargan about. All of them things there, things were gone long time. A past things. It's almost like you going back in a one garbage bin to dig up garbage to find food. And that you out here do. You see it? Because when you and Daddy Gargan and Oliver and all of them went good, all of them criticism they were Daddy Gargan and make against Colosime team members, it was okay with you. It is just because now you and Daddy Gargan have a falling out. That's why you are draw back for them things there. To suit the agenda where you are trying to push. You now are trying to draw Oliver into the whole mix of things. So you can get an alliance with Oliver to go against Daddy Gargan. What you are doing is a strategy what them call the enemy of my enemy is my friend. You are not a genuine person because you are use Oliver to go against Daddy Gargan. You not genuinely against the things them where Daddy Gargan says only because you and him have a falling out. That's why you know a drawback for them all videos there to criticize him now because you have the falling out. See? And then you are trying to bring me into the mix. And I try to play this little, me no know why him name and me no care why him name and them kind of little things like I say. It's a levels card I try to play. But guess what? You see me? Me a king. Me a lion. Me no kiss mongrel ass. And what me see no found out here though, I publicly I kiss some people ass forget so-called respect. Me no do them kind of things. You see anything what me say about anybody, me say it because me genuinely mean it. So you that carry feelings for me because me address you and me point out the disingenuous attitude what you will have towards J-Bud. And it look like you're vexed about it and still I carry feelings about it. So now you go use them little things there as a little means of trying to push me down or try to make it look like me below your level or whatever. So you speak of me in the manner where you do. Know yourself, man. You see? And be genuine about the fight what you fight. See? Cause watch you now. Why may I say the things them what you use against Daddy Gargan is the same thing about yourself. You see, when time people disrespect ground God and disparage ground God, it seems like it is okay with you for them do it. But when time the youth them now disparage, when Daddy Gargan disparage the youth them like Sachs and Murphy and J-Bud, and that's how you find a problem in it. But all of that when said long time and you never say anything about it, you have all the time in the world to address it. But you choose not to. It's now when time you and Daddy Gargan have no falling out. You now are going to use them things there against Daddy Gargan, like as Daddy Gargan say you try set up people against him. Them things then are right, brethren. And as a grown man differently still, you and Daddy Gargan should out yourself set the kind of example where young people should then follow. You and Daddy Gargan is like a treasure trove of information. Based on your age, you're supposed to be like a history encyclopedia around here. The information what you and Daddy Gargan have in terms of historic knowledge, you should then out here so set example for young people and teach young people actually how them supposed to live and how them supposed to behave themselves. When time me and some other people are getting into it, the item shouldn't be the ones we out here so I call we out and I make it known say this is not what is expected of us. See? But uno out here so I set one, uno out here so I lower the bar. Uno a lower on the standard. See? And you now out here so I agree with Oliver, even though you say what the video what Oliver did was brutal. How can you say the video was brutal but yet you agree that Oliver have the right to say whatever he want to say as a big man, but you go use it for go against Daddy Gargan. Say Daddy Gargan, they not the wrong to tell him say him to take a check on himself. Because Daddy Gargan in that case there is a genuine friend Where man telling friends say, look, you are lower your standard by disparaging the girl in the way how you do it. But you go try to use that video against the man. See? No wonder why the youth them on TikTok are behave the way how them are behave. As me say, the only difference between the I them and the youth them on TikTok is that the youth them take it one step further and them analyze each other. But uno na do no difference with the words one I use against one another. And me can respect no big man who use white lies to push an agenda. You see, if you genuinely want change, you for be the change what you want to see. Don't only out here criticize Daddy Gagan and say Daddy Gagan this and Daddy Gagan that. Because you are do this very same thing where you criticize Daddy Gagan about. And you lower the standard and you set the precedence for young people to come up, come watch behave certain kind of way and think it is okay for dip on the internet, a disrespect and a disparage and a bring down and a fight down on one another and fight down people. How different it is what uno do from what the TikToker them do. It's only that the TikToker them take it one notch ahead of one another and use worse words or worse terms against each other. But uno a lay the foundation. That's why I say everything we want to see young people do and we criticize young people, we must remember say, are we out here that set the standard and are we out here that create the influence where the youth them are go by. We are the ones where above the youth them where they create the environment for how the youth them live and how they normalize things and how them see things. So all the correlation between what the youth them do on TikTok and what uno do on YouTube, the connection is there. Because as all people say, the proof is in the pudding. This is not something what me want to go back and forth with nobody. But you see, once refer to me in a conversation, and refer to me in a genuine, true, factual manner, me go come out here and defend my name and defend my honor. Because guess what? You see, if we allow rumors to continue spread, rumors become true. See? Just like how we say enough things in a society. We genuinely know that some of them things they are not true, but because it repeat and repeat and repeat over and over through history, them things here become acceptable and become what we call truth. See? This is not something I really want to do when I go back and forth with people. And people are talk like I said them want to bang around shame me as you see all of the people them do. When people refer to me and try to bring me down and me try to defend myself, you hear people are come out in my comment section and I talk about Rasta and to mix up in a bangarang. While I try to draw people in it. But this is what I say to you differently still. None of you can bangarang shame me. Because me out here suffer a purpose. And the purpose what me out here suffer is to remind you of what you supposed to be and how you supposed to live. See? And me can dey out here so I preach unity. And people are try to disrespect me. And me must just allow that to go on. Me not do them kind of things. See? Because me is a king, as me said before. And me have my honor to protect. Me not gonna make nobody around here so trample upon my honor and try to bring me down and try to bring me in some little low level things. And me just make it slide. See? If you're not really genuine about the things them want to say, you must be genuine about it. Don't just use things to suit your agenda. Don't draw people in your conversation because now you and Daddy Gargan is not good. You go draw back for all of them things there. When you say how much months ago, how much weeks ago. And you did have the opportunity to address them. But at the time, you and him and Oliver and every one of them else went good. So you make it slide. So how comes it now is a problem? Because you and him fall out. It's just one thing about it. It's just because you are genuinely not a genuine person. You're disingenuous. And me did say that first, and me did tell you, say, you seem like somebody who is respectful and you seem like somebody who is reasonable. But you continue to show yourself, say, you is not a genuine person. Because if you did genuine, you wouldn't be doing all of this what you do. You then address Daddy Gargan for what you really think about him. And not try to draw back some things where you won't find it okay when you and him weren't good. But now because you and him fall out, them things they now become problem. You have to do better than that, man. As a grown man. And as a grown man, you should then out here so a set example. For we follow uno. And if uno say we the step out of line, uno fi call we and put we back in place and say, look, this is how we expect uno to behave. This is what we want uno to do. And this is how uno supposed to behave. As me say, uno should be like a treasure trove of information where uno can explain to young people how uno survive all of the things them where uno survive to reach to the age where uno reach today. So young people can use uno as example to reach the age where uno reach, because uno see it say all of the young people them are kill off themselves at a tender age. But no, I know that you don't want to go back and forth and in some little low level conversation and low level argument. And I use some little white lies to fit on our agenda. People, and go and bless up on yourself. Go and take care of yourself. Make sure say the ones them who they now in immediate circle. And drop as much gems on those people and help them to mold themselves to become better adults than what we see a display in front of our face in the media. More life, more blessing. Heart of love to all our genuine, respectable people them out there. Give thanks to the moment. If you like the videos, continue to just support. Click the subscription button, click the like button, share the video with your friend them. And take care of themselves. All the best for the coming year, and make we just have ourselves a nice holiday and live in a love. Rastafari bless. Give thanks.